Recently, prophecy interpreters have cited a new reason for believing the apocalypse is approaching, as the Bible's prophecy for the end of the world is becoming a reality right before our eyes. The Euphrates River has been quickly drying up, and a terrifying discovery has been made at the bottom. In the book of Revelations 16:12, the sixth angel poured out his bowl on the great river Euphrates, and its water was dried up to prepare the way for the kings from the east. Revelations 9:14, it is said to the sixth angel who had the trumpet, "Release the four angels who are bound at the great river Euphrates." Because they are described as bound, we know they are demonic beings. Demons are fallen angels who are often bound in chains of gloomy darkness, which makes the sounds captured that much more terrifying. That sounded just like moving chains. This is then followed up with what sounds like a demonic growl. What do you think about the strange noises and the drying up of Euphrates? Let us know in the comments.